Okay, made it to St. Martin's. There's a school there. There's the ride. Alright, 4 wheels, baby. Anyway, kind of surprised. No one else here. Usually is not the case. They'll be here any minute, I'm sure. Patrick Burke is making coffee for us all. Donuts. Jim Hall's got the donuts covered. And John Hill's working on the gospel, practicing reading it. Don DeLash is trying to figure out what he can say that won't be too controversial. Let's see. You know, the usual guys. Rich is putting on 10 hats to cover his head. That's about it. It's really not snowing too hard. I'm just squinting because I like it. Alright, man. It's beautiful. Great day to pray. I don't know where everybody is. I'm going to have to go pray.